Want to buy a game on Steam using PayPal? It's a quick and secure process. Here's how to do it step by step. First, head over to your Steam account. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your username and password to gain access. Once you're in, simply navigate over to the Store tab. You'll find this option prominently displayed, and clicking it will take you straight to Steam's vast online marketplace. Now, it's time for the fun part, choosing what you want to purchase. Browse through the extensive collection of games and items until you find something that catches your eye. Whether it's a new release or a classic favorite, there's something for everyone on Steam. Once you've made your choice, click on the item and then select Add to Cart. This will add it to your shopping cart and set you on the path to checking out. After adding your selected item to the cart, click on View My Cart. This will give you a chance to review your choices and ensure everything is just as you want it. From there, proceed by selecting Continue to Payment. At this point, you'll be asked to choose your payment method. Here's where PayPal comes in. On the Payment Methods page, select PayPal. Steam will present you with this option seamlessly amidst other payment choices. Once selected, click on Continue, which prompts Steam to connect with PayPal, guiding you to the next phase of your purchase. The next step is to click on the PayPal button, which will redirect you to the PayPal website in a new browser window. Here you'll need to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal account details, keeping your login credentials handy. After successfully logging in, you'll be presented with a detailed breakdown of the payment. Here's your chance to review everything, a crucial moment to ensure all the details align with your expectations. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. In the final stretch, once you've completed the confirmation on PayPal, Steam will process your payment. It usually happens pretty quickly. After the transaction completes, you'll receive confirmation from Steam, and voila, you now have access to the new game or content you've just purchased. And there you have it. A straightforward way to use PayPal for your Steam purchases. With these steps, paying with PayPal on Steam is a breeze, making your gaming purchases convenient and secure. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming.